Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Staples for business printing, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Staples for business printing, begin by visiting the Staples website. Locate the Business tab on the home page. Click on Business Printing in the drop-down menu. From there, choose Sign In at the top right corner. If you do not have an account, select Create an account. Fill out the required fields, including your email address and a strong password. Provide your business name and contact information as prompted. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Staples. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Return to the Staples website and log in with your new account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Printing section again. Select the type of print job you need from the options available. Upload your files, ensuring they meet any specified guidelines. Customize your order by selecting options like paper type, size, and quantity. Add any special instructions for your printing needs. Review your order carefully for accuracy. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon. Enter your shipping and payment information. Confirm your order and submit it. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your purchase. Keep this email for your records and future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.